How to earn money with HoneyGain for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with HoneyGain to make money. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on to honeygain.com and then you're just going to click on go to dashboard over here. Now, over here, you're going to sign up. So you can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can enter your email. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account over here. So I'm just going to continue on. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for this to load up on my screen. And just like that, I have logged on to my HoneyGain account. So once you have logged onto your HoneyGain account, all you have to do is download the HoneyGain application, install the application, and open it up. So you're just going to click on download for Mac OS or download for Windows, whatever you are running. And then you're just going to click on open store and you're just going to download it from here. So we're just going to open it. We're going to click on get and we're going to click on install. So on your HoneyGain dashboard, you have your overview. Then you have your transaction history on the left. So all transactions are over here. And the minimum payout for HoneyGain is $20. So once you have $20, you can start withdrawing your money out of HoneyGain. And then below that, you have referrals. So with referrals, you get 10% bonuses with your money. So whenever someone signs up on HoneyGain, you get 10%. And that is a great offer. And that is another great way to make passive income with HoneyGain as well. So on your app store, you're just going to click on open over here on HoneyGain. And then you're just going to wait for this to open up. You're going to agree to their terms of use. You're just going to click on agree. And we're just going to skip the introduction and we're going to click on launch on setup. You're going to click on start and you're going to click on go over here. Now it's going to be the same process on a Windows application as well. Now, once you have launched your HoneyGain application, you're going to see it on the top over here. So you can see at the top, I have this. So you have your net CR, you have your earn to date, you have your continued delivery not available. So this is a bit different, but you can see over here that you have your sign up, you have your login, you have your quit buttons over here. And if I go back into my overview, now I'm just going to refresh this and wait for this to show up on my actual dashboard over here. So we're going to open up HoneyGain. And now I'm just going to sign up with my Google account over here with my dashboard. So you can enter whatever email address you signed up with on your actual dashboard and log on over here. Now you can see over here, I have my notifications enabled for my HoneyGain account. Now you can see I can click on go to dashboard. And now you can see my dashboard has been refreshed and I have this balance. So once you do that, you can see that you have a waiting for traffic section. So this basically allows you to get traffic. All you have to do is leave this logged on. So you can go back onto whatever work you're doing, whatever else you are doing on your laptop. You can watch YouTube videos, you can do anything you want basically, and just wait for this, wait for people to connect to your internet, and then you're going to start earning money. So this is one of the greatest ways to earn passive income. And if you have a laptop that you leave at home all day, you can easily make money with HoneyGain just by leaving it on, and just you can go about your day, even work on your laptop, just keep this running in the background. And then you can see on the top over here that you're going to have all of your data present right in your toolbar over here, depending on what kind of laptop you are using. So it's just like a very, very simple and easy passive way to earn income. Now, if you go onto the HoneyGain basic website, you can just scroll down and you can see over here, you have your estimate your earnings section. So you can see over here, you can see the amount of internet you share basically. Let's say you share 8 gigabytes of internet and you share it for 12 hours every day. You're going to be earning $70 per month, and this is going to be like totally passive. So this is like free money for you to leave on your laptop at home. And I would recommend it to anyone that doesn't use like a lot of their data, but there are a few limitations to HoneyGain. First off, you can feel like your internet is running a bit slow when you're using HoneyGain, especially if there are devices connected. Like right now, no one has connected to my internet yet, but once people start connecting to your internet, it might be a bit difficult for you to actually be able to use your own internet. Like it's not difficult, but sometimes if like a bunch of different people connect at the same time, then your internet might get slow. Now, The other thing about HoneyGain is that you sometimes might feel like, oh, I can't reach the $20 minimum payout. So for some people, it is a high payout, and the withdrawal system on MoneyGain is a bit more difficult. So you have the HoneyGain wallets that you can withdraw money from, and then you have Jump Task, and you have to just click on Let's Start, and then you have to link your Jump Task wallet over here, and you can actually just transfer money from there as well. But there are great things about HoneyGain as well. You can see that HoneyGain has been rated a 4.7 for passive income, but they do use like a lot of internet. So if you have data limitations like this says over here, it's going to be a bit more difficult for you to navigate on the HoneyGain platform. It's not going to be a lot easier. Like if you're using data and you have like a certain amount every month, then it's going to be, difficult for you to actually be able to share so much data. So it's only suitable if you have a unlimited connection. So once you have a unlimited connection, it's not going to be difficult. But if you have a limited connection, it's not suitable for you. And still, it is a passive income gainer. So the amount of money that you're going to make is not going to be high. So even in their estimate your earnings section, like even if I'm sharing 200 gigabytes of data every day for 8 hours, I'm only going to be earning $181. Not, it's not only like it's for passive income, it's a lot, but it still is not enough for some people to leave their devices on all the time or to manage all of these different accounts. So some people might also stray away from HoneyGain for that purpose as well, because $200 sometimes don't seem worth it for a entire month of just leaving stuff around and having to just coordinate stuff. But it still is a great way to make money, and I do suggest for most people that you should try out HoneyGain once in your life just to see how you feel like it is working. And you can add more devices from your own arsenal. So you can add your other laptop if you have any other laptop. If you have like a desktop setup, you can connect that as well. And now you can earn money twice as fast. So that is how easy it is to make money with HoneyGain. There is a lot that you can do with HoneyGain. You can see over here that HoneyGain is pretty simple and easy to use. There is nothing difficult about HoneyGain. It's legit and safe. The sign up process is simple. It is easy to use, and they have a very simple payout process. The payout process might not be as simple as the rest of the elements, but it still is pretty easy and simple. Now, if you take a look at your HoneyGain account, you can see over here that I left my account for a bit, and now I have 0.23 cents. So I'm already making money just by leaving my laptop on for like a couple of hours. And this is how you can make money as well. So all you really need to do is just, if you're an active user, if you are someone that has like a desktop or workstation, then you can definitely use HoneyGain to make a lot of passive income because it's simple and easy, and it really doesn't take anything from you. You already have your internet, you already have your internet service providers available, and all they're doing is providing a tiny little share, and you can always turn it off whenever you want to. So if there's anything important that you want to do, you can turn it off then, and you can just do your important work and then turn it on back. You can turn it on when you are free. So whenever your laptop or your workstation is free, you can just turn HoneyGain on to make some passive income. Now, with HoneyGain, you might be wondering that the money is pretty less. Well, the money really depends on how much you're able to share and for how long. That just totally depends. And sometimes, even if you are sharing a lot of internet, you're not going to be making a lot of money because you are just sharing internet, because not a lot of people are connecting to that internet. So that is also another limitation of HoneyGain that I have found. Other than that, you are pretty good. In most situations, that mishap doesn't happen and you're able to make a lot more money with HoneyGain. And the overall sign up is so easy and simple that you have nothing to lose when you're using HoneyGain, and that is why I recommend that you check out HoneyGain and try it out for yourself. So if you want to make some passive income, I definitely would suggest that you try HoneyGain and try to like manage some timings in between to let people use your internet and make some passive income. And you can see over here that if you're just giving 4 hours every day and you're only giving like 11 gigabytes of internet, then you can definitely make over $100 every month. And a free $100 never hurts anyone. So because it is free money, I would recommend to most people that they should try it out. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to make some passive income using HoneyGain. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.